These pre-book items are automatically either added to that order or an additional separate order is spun off for that location. Hey there, Zach with Fast Tracks here, and today we're going to look at the pre-book option of our warehouse solution. So pre-books, or as some people call them, force outs, are a way to do just that, force out products. This is generally done whenever you bring on a new line. So let's say you're bringing on a new line of vape. So you can create a pre-book, choose the levels and the locations that are going to participate. And whenever that location submits an order, these pre-book items are automatically either added to that order or an additional separate order is spun off for that location. So let's take a look at them. So from the warehouse, we would choose inventory and pre-book orders. Here we'll see a list of our existing ones, or we can create one. So when creating a pre-book, you're going to give us some rudimentary information such as the name and when it starts, and then some more advanced options, such as, are we creating a separate order for it? Is this going to be recurring, aka every time they order do this? Do you want me to restrict picking to a particular person? And are we going to give all the stores the same quantities, or is the quantity going to be different based on the store? So once you've set those options, you can continue, and then you would choose the items and the accounts that are going to participate in the pre-book. So to choose the items, simply click Items in Pre-book, and then I would add the items either individually here or through mass updates. For the locations, I would simply choose Accounts in Pre-book, and then choose the individual account from the drop-down list or the account group. Once your items are chosen, you also have some additional properties. You can choose how many of the item they're going to get on the pre-book, or you can use tiers. So tiers allow you to group stores that are similar together and put their quantities together. So for instance, if I have a store that's really a good vape store, I can put them in my tier 1 and then set their quantity higher than my tier 2 or tier 3 stores. This allows me to be granular without having to do every store individually. You can also choose to override the item's default price here. So if you're doing a pre-book or a force out and you want to give them a special deal on it, you can choose to override the price and then what to override it with. So once your pre-book is set up, the next time that account creates an order, either manually or via EDI or e-commerce, based on your settings, the pre-book will automatically fire and be applied to the order. So that's it for using pre-books or force outs in our warehouse solution. Thanks for stopping by.